Here's a 3-minute meditation for sleep that you can use right before bed. This is a practice I like to use myself when sleep feels a bit elusive. And before you begin this, it's helpful to have the main issue and how you want to feel in mind. So for example, maybe your issue is that you're super worried about all the things that you have to do tomorrow. And how you want to feel is to sleep deeply through the whole night. So we'll use that as the example in this meditation. So let's begin with 3 deep breaths. Relax and take a deep breath in for 2 seconds and exhale for 4 seconds. Again, deep breath in and exhale. One more. And repeat after me. I forgive myself for believing I have to worry about everything that will happen tomorrow. Take a deep breath. I give love and gratitude for my comfortable bed and my safe place to sleep. Take a deep breath. What energy, space, and consciousness can me and my body be to sleep deeply through the night with total ease? And anything getting in the way of that, I destroy and uncreate it all now. Take a deep breath. Again, you can create your own versions of these by just swapping out the different intentions, and you can add more things in by simply repeating them. For example, you could say multiples of the I forgive myself for believing statement. Just keep in mind to do them in that order. And if you want more tips and tricks like this to help you sleep better naturally, just grab my 5 insomnia hacks cheat sheet down in the description below, and I'll see you on the next video.